Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing video. As always, if you guys enjoy these videos, definitely hit that subscribe button. I feel like a lot of people watch the videos but don't subscribe. Subscribe so that you never miss out on another video. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I'm probably pointing on the wrong sides of the screen, but subscribe, hit the notification bell, and welcome to the family. So getting into the specs of this unit, this is a sensational unit. It is from their Butta lace line. This is the Butta Unit 8. As always, I'll make sure that I put the information down in the description box below if you guys want to purchase this unit. I got this unit in a jet black 1. That is my color preference. This unit is synthetic and is made of 100% premium fiber. On the packaging, it is said to have virtually undetectable lace, and we will investigate in just a few minutes. It is made with HD lace that is also said to blend with most skin tones. The lace and hairline is pre-plucked and it has a natural density for the unit. That wasn't good English. The unit has a natural density. The unit has ear-to-ear lace with a 5-inch deep parting space. It does come with baby hair along the hairline on this unit, so if you wanted to, you guys could gel that down. However, I will tell you later on in the video, I can tell you now, the baby hairs are long enough that you can kind of tuck them and hide them if you don't want to you know, gel them down. And then on the back of the packaging, it does include care instructions on how to maintain this unit. It also lists additional colors that this unit comes in. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there's one comb here next to an ear tab, and then there is another comb here. So total 2 combs at the front. There is a middle parting space. And then down here at the bottom of the unit, there's an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. So straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like. It's cute. It has potential. It comes with that customary amount of lace that synthetic units do come with. You guys can also see that there are some baby hairs on this unit. So as always, I'm going to go in, style this unit to my satisfaction, and then come back to you guys with all my final thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, opinions, any other terminology you want to throw in there. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys what the parting space looks like. Wait. Oh my goodness. I don't think I need to do anything to this. I'm getting in close so that you guys can see it in all its glory. I know you can see the lace, but look at that. I haven't done anything to it. No powder, nothing. Granted, I'm wearing a nude wig cap, but all right, so we're back. This is the final look. I just went in with this styling brush, detangling brush from Cantu. I brushed it out. The curls were already cute fresh out of the package, but I just brushed them out to give it a little more body, separate out those curls just a little bit. As you guys can see, I just showed you guys the parting space. I did not do anything to this parting space, and honestly, I think I'm gonna leave it like that, because sometimes when I put the powder on, it makes the parting space a little too red, and then, you know, it just kind of throws it off. So I'm gonna leave this because I like the way that this looks, especially with the nude wig cap. In terms of the baby hairs, I didn't cut them off. I left them. They're a little bit long and they're curled in the opposite direction. So I would recommend getting one of those little eyebrow razors, trimming it down, gelling them down. However, if you are of the small population, such as myself, who does not like baby hairs, they're long enough that you can tuck them behind these longer bangs. So do what you will, no judgment here. In terms of shedding, I didn't get any when I was brushing out this unit. It's very pretty. It's a nice curly unit. In terms of snags and tangles, I'm running my hands through, not getting anything. It's really nice. There was one snag there. My hand kind of hesitated, but other than that, I mean, it looks really good. This is giving me summer in Italy with my fine bearded man on a vacation whenever Corona lets us live our lives again. But this is very, very cute. I really like it. It's a very flirty, cute summer, or could be fall. I don't know. I used to think that short hair was for summer and long hair was for fall/winter, but I think that was just like a high school thing, because all the girls I went to high school with, when it was winter, grew their hair out, but then in summer cut their hair really short. I don't know, suburbs thing. Anyway, I like it. I definitely think it has good volume. It's very, very cute. It requires minimal manipulation. This is one of the very few synthetic units that I've reviewed on this channel that you can actually take out of the package, cut the lace, and wear it as it is. Honestly, I took it out of the package. I brushed it for, you know, dramatic effect. But if you wanted to, you could, you know, fluff it out with your fingers, plop it on your head and go. It's very, very cute. I like it. In terms of length, you guys can see my collarbones are right here. It is just barely grazing the tops of my collarbones. It feels very, very natural. It's light on the head. It doesn't feel heavy. It has good movement, stiff wear. In terms of luster on this unit, it's like borderline, I want to say. It has that nice healthy luster, but then it's also teetering on, it's a little too shiny. Again, as always, we say you can tone it down with dry shampoo, cornstarch, baby powder, whatever old wives' tales that are floating around on the internet probably works. So I prefer to use dry shampoo. I'm wearing lip gloss and there is like one pesky hair that keeps getting attached to my lips. And it is upsetting me and my homegirls. Anyway, I prefer to use dry shampoo to tone down the shine, the shimmer and shine on my synthetic units. However, I don't have any within reach right now, so I'm gonna leave it like this, but when I'm wearing it out into the general public, I will definitely make sure that I control the shine. Overall, I'm really happy, and this is the first time trying a Sensational unit from their Butta lace line. I definitely feel like I'm moving towards more of these premium synthetic units. I'm really liking that I've been trying out a lot of these premium synthetic units, and I feel like that is more towards what I'm going towards too. I honestly haven't reviewed any human hair on this channel in a long time. I want to say probably since 2015. So I want to have a good mix going forward so that you guys can still have these nice synthetic units without breaking the bank, but then also we can review nice quality human hair, protective hairstyles, because I am going through, not going through a phase, but I really want to do more protective styles to just let my hair rest, especially since we're in a pandemic and at work I really don't have my hair out, so why not? But anyway, I digress. I really like the unit. It's very cute. It's very flirty. It's nice. I don't have any complaints. Like, look at that lace. Come on. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Look at that hairline. Are you kidding me? This is a synthetic unit. I'll put the link in the description box below so that we can prosper and twin together. So we can look cute together. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.